Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lim from KB Lim Skin Clinic. This video is on Forever Clear BBL treatment of acne vulgaris. Forever Clear BBL is a trademark of Sciton. Forever Clear BBL uses the Sciton treatment platform to deliver light into the skin in order to treat mild to moderate inflammatory acne. Inflammatory acne is comprised of inflamed papules, these are the red pimply bumps, or pustules, these are the pus heads, as shown in the figure on the right. Forever Clear BBL uses Sciton's BBL treatment platform. BBL is short for broadband light. It works in much the same way as IPL machines or intense pulse light machines. I have a separate video on Sciton BBL, and I invite you to watch the video by clicking on the link that I've provided in the description below. Suffice it to say that Sciton BBL is kind of like an advanced IPL machine. It allows customization, in this case, customization to treat acne. Traditionally, acne is treated with antibiotics, keratolytic or peeling agents. So in this case, we're using light to treat acne, and that's quite unusual. Let's talk about how this Forever Clear BBL treatment works. Forever Clear BBL uses light to destroy the acne-causing bacteria, Corynebacterium acnes, or C. acnes for short. Basically, C. acnes produces a light-absorbing molecule known as porphyrin, and porphyrin absorbs light in the blue range. In the case of Forever Clear BBL, we use a cutoff filter with a wavelength of 420 nanometers. This provides the blue light that is required for the treatment of acne vulgaris. When porphyrins absorb light in the blue range, heat is generated and the heat destroys the C. acnes bacteria. This is unique because we traditionally use antibiotics either taken by mouth or applied to the skin to kill bacteria, but in this case we are using light to kill bacteria. So this is quite unique. Forever Clear BBL is different from other IPL machines. IPL machines can also be used for acne treatment, but Forever Clear combines several wavelengths into a three-step procedure that produces better results. In the first step, blue BBL light is delivered deep into the skin to reach the pores where the acne-causing bacteria C. acnes resides. In the second step, we use yellow BBL light 560 nanometers to reduce inflammation. And in the third step, we use skin-tight light energy. Skin-tight is a protocol for treating skin to increase tightness and to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. But in the case of Forever Clear BBL, we use a portion of the skin-tight protocol to stimulate the body's natural healing process and to help to reduce pore size. So all these three combined together produce results that are usually satisfying to patients. So to summarize, the main benefits of Forever Clear BBL are as follows. It resolves active inflammatory acne, it reduces pore size, it also reduces red or dark spots left over from old acne. And this is something that is very disturbing to patients, and they often request treatment for this. And Forever Clear BBL, because it's using light treatment, it helps to clear all these marks as well. It also helps to even out skin tone, and with regular treatment you can prevent future outbreaks. So what are the advantages of Forever Clear BBL treatment? First, it uses light, and because it uses light, its effectiveness is not affected by C. acnes bacterial resistance to antibiotics. We have observed that a lot of acne bacteria are now resistant to the common antibiotics that we use for acne, and C. acnes, using light to treat C. acnes overcomes the problem of bacterial resistance. There's another light treatment for acne vulgaris known as photodynamic therapy, or PDT for short. This involves applying a topical photosensitizer such as aminolevulinic acid, or ALA for short, and methylaminolevulnate, or MAL. This treatment requires an application of photosensitizer followed by illuminating the skin with light, usually in the blue or red range. This treatment also works, but the problem is the skin remains very sensitive to light, so there is a severe risk of severe sunburns if exposure to the sun occurs. With Forever Clear BBL, we do not use the photosensitizer, so although it's important to avoid the sun, it will not cause any serious burns if, if the patient is inadvertently exposed to strong sunlight. So this is a patient who had Forever Clear BBL. Before and after treatment, you can see the improvement. However, note that in the description below, this patient had 9 treatments in a month. Now this can be a little bit difficult for some patients to maintain because of the frequency of treatment. So in many of my patients, I do a combination of a regular acne treatment with Forever Clear BBL treatment in between. So this seems to be more manageable for many of my patients. So the areas of acne that can be treated for Forever Clear with Forever Clear BBL is varied. It can be used on any part of the skin that has acne basically. This includes the face and neck, which is the common area, and sometimes the shoulders, the upper chest and back. Anyone who has inflammatory acne can benefit from Forever Clear BBL, be they teenagers or adults, and patients who prefer not to take antibiotics for fear of because of concerns about bacterial resistance can use Forever Clear BBL as treatment for acne. And patients who do not respond to the other conventional treatments that use antibiotics can also consider this as an option. The treatment is simple to perform. It involves applying cleaning the treatment area first, and then applying a gel to the treatment area. The eyes, as usual, are protected with safety glasses or safety shields, and then treatment can begin. The treatment sensation is often described as a warm or rubber band snap sensation, which is very easy to tolerate, and there is usually no need for a topical anesthetic agent. The treatment itself takes 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the area to be treated. You can expect mild redness, but this usually resolves within a few hours. Temporary darkening of pigmented spots may occur, but these will fade over time, and there may be some peeling and flaking off or sloughing off of the pigmented skin at a later stage. Mild facial irritation may occur with Forever Clear BBL, but not as severe as what is seen with photodynamic therapy or PDT that we discussed earlier. So with Forever Clear BBL, there is it's a non-invasive treatment, which means there's no cutting, piercing, or insertion of needles into the skin, and it doesn't involve any patient downtime, so patients are able to return to work. They can apply makeup, resume routine activities immediately after treatment. The number of treatments are quite frequent because, as mentioned, we're using light to treat bacteria, and if you're probably aware that bacteria divides very quickly, it rapidly divides, so treatment has to be quite frequent, and as mentioned earlier, some patients may not be able to achieve that frequent number of treatments, so I tend to use it in combination with other additional treatments so that we can reduce the frequency of Forever Clear BBL treatment. If this is used as the sole treatment, patients will require 1 to 2 treatments every week for a total of 4 to 8 weeks. Periodic touch-ups can be applied to patients who tend to have a recurrence of acne. The results can usually be seen after 2 treatments, and generally there is no special care that's required after treatment. I usually give patients some skincare products and instructions on how to use them. The treated area notably is more prone to sunburns and pigmentation, so avoidance of sun exposure for the first 14 days is very important. By that I mean direct sun exposure, and patients should always use sunscreen and physical sun protection whenever they go outdoors, and to reapply sunscreens every 2 hours. So this is just a brief rundown on Forever Clear BBL treatment, which is an innovative and unique treatment that uses light from the Sciton BBL treatment platform to treat acne vulgaris of the inflammatory type. Forever Young BBL is another treatment protocol from Sciton, which addresses the state of the superficial skin. It helps to improve the appearance of skin clinically, and it also has been shown to improve the expression of youth-related genes, thereby making the skin behave like younger skin. So Forever Young BBL can be also considered by patients who have cleared their acne with Forever Clear BBL treatment. And as mentioned, Forever Clear BBL also include part of the skin type treatment protocol, which helps to tighten the skin. Some patients, after clearance of acne, who want to improve their skin further, can consider the full skin type protocol treatment, and this will help to tighten the skin and reduce pore size and also reduce lines and wrinkles. So thank you for watching. I have many videos on my website at www.kblimskinclinic.com, and I invite you to visit us at that website. In the next section, I will show you a very short video on Forever Clear BBL.